Hi there, welcome back to this channel. In this video, it's going to be a very quick and short video where we'll be talking about hydrolysis of lipids. Lipid hydrolysis is very simple. All right, all you have to do is know how to draw the molecule or the lipid moiety or the lipid structure, and you're good to go because hydrolysis of lipids is a very simple chemical process. Right? I mean, going about the chemistry is simple, although there are intricacies to it. Right? So now, how do we hydrolyze lipids? So this is a triacylglyceride. Why? Because you know this is triglyceride because there are three fatty acids that are attached to a glycerol backbone. You know, this is a glycerol backbone. So if you understand the structure of this, you will know that is a triglyceride, as I called it. All right, and you see they are different, right? Because of you see the alkyl groups there are primed differently. All right, so how do we react this? So we are going to react this with 3 molecules of water. So when this reacts with 3 molecules of water, very simple. What you do is very simple. Come here and just cleave the bond. Come and cleave the bond here. So once you cleave the bond here at this point, what do you have? You're going to have you're going to have 4 products, 4 major products. So you know that each molecule of water is just this wanted to go this way to each. So what you have is that this guy and this guy, H plus, is going to attack, they are going to attack differently. So this H plus is going to protonate this glycerol backbone, and this guy is going to be hydroxylated. So what you have is that this hydrogen is going to bond here so that you form your glycerol backbone, so that you have this. So, you know, this is what we had in the beginning. Then it's going to be protonated, so you have H's added to them. Now let me use another color to represent the H's, the new H that has been added. So this is what you had here. So these guys are going to be protonated. These guys are going to be protonated. So let's protonate them here. All right. So then, these other guys here, they are still going to have these guys. Now notice, the products will be different because they are disjointed. You notice they are disjointed by the cleavage of this bond. They don't have any direct contact. All right, so they will form different fatty acids. They're going to, yes, of course, they're going to form fatty acids. So you are correct by your guess. You guess that. So OH is going to attack this place, and then we have what? OH will be attached here, and OH will also be attached. OH will be attached to the second carboxylic group. So we have C carboxyl group. So we have CO R prime prime and C double bond O R prime prime prime. So there are 3 fatty acids. So and you know fatty acids are all actually the main product of fat and oil. So and then we have the glycerol backbone. So this is all about the cleavage of fatty acids of lipids. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do what to subscribe to the channel if you did gain value, and like the video and share with your friends who might benefit from it. I will link in the description where I talked about the oxidative rancidity of PUFAs, that is polyunsaturated fatty acids. So if you want to know more about fatty acids and how they undergo rancidity, so you know, oily products, the major deterioration that occurs with them is called rancidity. So such as groundnuts, when it softens, such as even fish or any oily product, the oil will undergo rancidity. So if you want to learn about that, do well to click and check the description below. I'm going to link the video in the description. God bless you as you do so. Amen.